Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Epco number EP592 cabinet catch. This is an aluminum casing magnetic strike, or magnetic catch with a strike plate. This is a bit unusual one in the sense that it is a high 13-pound holding force on it. It's high in that regard. Now there are magnetic catches that are higher, but the majority of them will prove to be significantly less than 13 pound. And people will use this when they've got a substantial door, like I've had people install these on stainless steel or heavy steel tool carriages, where the doors themselves weigh 25 pounds, and they need to close that door and have the catch actually catch the door and hold onto it so that it doesn't open. A situation like that is where you're going to really see this. Heavy duty, strong pull force. Magnet rotate within casing to maintain maximum contact to the strike. There's a pin down in the center of it that allows it to, accommodate the door approaching it. It's not going to approach it at 0 degree technically. At some very tiny degree, it'll probably start to approach it. So that's what that's for. Triple pole, you can see what that means. There's 3 steel plates there separated by 2 magnets. This is an aluminum finish, aluminum base material, with some zinc. The steel parts in there are going to be, there'll be some zinc parts in there as well. Okay. Now, you're going to get the catch, you're going to get the strike. The strike's got a couple of little prongs on it, and that's so that when you get the strike placed where you want it to be, and then you're going to determine that based on what the closed position of the door would be. You're just going to kind of make contact with the door, assuming it's wood, with these prongs, okay, and that will indent onto the back side of the wood door, allowing you to then screw it down and have it attached. If you've got a metal situation, you might have to obviously change up your fastener package, then maybe turn those prongs out to the other side or grind them off. You're going to get a total of 3 screws, which I'd like to see a total of 5 because you've got 2 slotted holes in the body. We're going to give you 2 screws for that. And then you're going to get 1 small flathead screw for the strike. Okay. Obviously, this is intended for a wood door and a wood frame sort of installation is where it's typical. Now, some dimensional properties. The overall width of the body, about 2 1/8. The overall depth of the mounting flange, about 1 inch. Overall height, okay, it's about 11/16. Overall thickness of the body itself, about 15/16. So that magnet's going to be brought up right to the face of your strike, and then of course the door is where that's going to come in. Give you an idea of the length of the strike. It's 1 1/8. The height of the strike, it's about 7/8. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Epco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Now, the full product catalog is handy because you can open it up. You can then search for the 592 magnetic catch, and the idea there is that you'll be able to pull up that page and then review all of their sister products. Frankly, I find it easier sometimes to navigate through the manufacturer's catalog because you've already selected down on a single manufacturer, right onto a page that you're dealing with, allowing you to view just that manufacturer's potential options. Now, what you'll see as you scroll through that Epco catalog, they do a lot more than magnetic catches, and frankly, they might do a lot more things than what you're familiar with. So it might be very much well worth your time to review that. They get into a lot of closet organization, a lot of other types of catches as well. Tubing, jumping back and forth, tubing and closet rods, sliding door, track, and channels. An interesting, helpful resource if you make perhaps maybe a bookmark back to it. If you have any questions on the Epco 592 Plus cabinet catch or any other Epco product, please feel free to reach out to us.